9th class physical science semester 2 భౌతిక రసాయన శాస్త్రం 11th chapter sound. కవిత ఆంధ్ర అమ్మాయి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తారు కదా. Exercises. First question. What is sound and how is it produced? Answer. Sound is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hearing in our ears. Sound is produced by forcing an object to vibrate. In other words, sound is produced by vibrating object. Second question. Describe with the help of a diagram how compressions and rarefactions are produced in air near a source of sound. Answer. First one. A vibrating membrane moved back and forth to produce sound. Second point. When the membrane pushed forward, it pushes the particles of air in front of it. Third point. Due to this, layers of air get compressed, increasing the density of air. Fourth point. This compressed air pushes the layer of air next to it. Fifth point. Creating a compression pulse. Sixth point. After pushing the compression pulse forward, the air particles comes to normal. Seventh point. When the membrane pushed back. Eighth point. It drags the layer of air particles towards it. Ninth point. As a result, density of air reduces. Tenth point. Creating a rarefaction pulse. 11th point. As the membrane moves to and fro rapidly, compression and rarefaction pulse are produced continuously, one after the other. 12th point. When these pulses reaches the ears, the eardrum vibrates. 13th point. And thus we hear the sound. Third question. Why is sound wave called a longitudinal wave? Answer. The particles of a medium move along the direction of sound wave. That why it is a longitudinal wave. Fourth question. Which characteristic of the sound helps you to identify your friend by his voice while sitting with others in a dark room? Answer. The characteristic of the sound that helps us to identify our friend's voice is timbre, quality of voice or music. Fifth question. Flash and thunder are produced simultaneously, but thunder is heard a few seconds after the flash is seen. Why? Answer. Lightning travels at 3 into 10 to the power of 8 ms to the power of -1, whereas the thunder travels in air at 344 ms to the power of -1. So, thunder is heard slower than lightning. 7th question. Two children are at opposite ends of an aluminium rod. One strikes the end of the rod with a stone. Find the ratio of times taken by the sound wave in air and in aluminium to reach the second child. Answer. Speed of sound in air s is equal to 346 ms to the power of -1. Distance transversed is equal to s into t1. implies D is equal to 346 T1. Speed of sound in aluminum is equal to 6420 ms to the power of minus 1. Distance traversed is equal to S into T2 is equal to 6420 T2. Distance traversed by sound wave is same. Therefore, 346 T1 is equal to 6420 T2 implies T2 by T1 is equal to 346 by 6420. ఈ రెండింటిని కొట్టేయండి. 18.55 వస్తుంది. అర్థమైందా? ఇంప్లైస్ T2 ఈజ్ టు T1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1:18.55 ఆన్సర్. ఈ రెండింటిని కొట్టేయండి. కొట్టేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. 8th question. The frequency of a source of sound is 100 Hz. How many times does it vibrate in a minute? Answer. Source of sound frequency is equal to 100 Hz. Number of vibrations in 1 second is equal to 100. Number of vibrations in 1 minute is equal to 100 into 60 is equal to 6000. ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయండి. It will vibrate 6000 times in 1 minute. 9th question. Does sound follow the same laws of reflection as light does? Explain. Answer. Yes, sound and light follows the same laws of reflection. The direction in which sound is incident and is reflected makes equal angles. Angle I is equal to angle R. 10th question. When a sound is reflected from a distant object, an echo is produced. Let the distance between the reflecting surface and the source of sound production remains the same. Do you hear echo sound on a hotter day? Answer. If the temperature increases, speed of sound increases. This reduces the time duration of sound and its reflection, so no echo is heard. 11th question. Give two practical applications of reflection of sound waves. Answer. Applications of reflection of sound waves. First point. Reflection of sound waves are used in sonar. Second point. It is also used to heartbeat in stethoscope. Third point. Megaphones, loudspeakers, horns, musical instruments all are use this property. 12th question. A stone is dropped from the top of a tower 500 m high into a pond of water at the base of the tower. When is the splash heard at the top? Given G is equal to 10 ms minus square and speed of sound is equal to 340 ms to the power of minus 1. Answer. Descent of stone. Initial velocity u is equal to 0 ms to the power of minus 1. Displacement s is equal to 500 m. Acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10 ms minus square. From gravitation s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 gt square. 500 is equal to 0 t. t की bracket పెట్టండి. Plus 1 by 2 into 10 t square. 2 5s 10 కొట్టేయండి. 500 is equal to 5. ఈ రెండింటిని కొట్టేయండి. 100 వస్తుంది. t square implies t square is equal to 100 కదా. 10 into 10. 10 10s are 100 కదా. 10 square implies t is equal to 10 sec. Time of ascent of sound. T is equal D by S. Since S is equal D by T. T is equal 500 by 340. ఈ రెండింటిని కొట్టేయండి. కొట్టేస్తే 1.47 వస్తుంది. Implies T is equal 1.47 sec. Time at which splash inhaled is equal 10 plus 1.47. ఈ రెండింటిని ఏషన్ చేయండి. is equal to 11.47 sec. Visualization: tower, stone, 500 m pond.